abandon every day. So I didn't really understand what that meant. Well, let me tell you a story. Right after we get past this scary downhill, I swear I'm going to keep coming to this till I'm not scared of it anymore. But I've got my sweet new moto boots to give me confidence, and this is my back brake because we're on a motorcycle and this is not my back brake. I keep needing to remind myself that, because I've been riding bikes for such a long time, and this is the back brake, this is the front brake. That's very important when you're going downhill like this. Back, front, right? Okay. Whew. Okay, not bad, we did it. Okay, it's really not too bad once you get going. So abandon every day. What am I talking about? Let me tell you a little story. So when I was shooting my video for, let's see, what was it? The 30 days of wheelies, where I was just doing this all the time. I did that for about, what was it, maybe 4 or 5 days. And then on the 5th day, I woke up and my head was spinning. I felt so sick. I was not feeling good. I had a fever, and it was not going to be a good day. So I ended up not making a video that day or the next 4 days. So I had just told myself I was going to make a video every single day for 30 days. And the first thing I did was not do that. I had like 5 or 6 days on, and then I had so many days off because I was sick. And it bummed me out. I felt discouraged. I was frustrated with the fact that I hadn't made a video every day, and then I couldn't make that video every single day. I couldn't do that 30 days of video. Who says that those 30 days has to be consecutive? I think we, or at least me, I painted myself into a corner because I was telling myself that if I didn't do 30 consecutive days of wheeling, then it wasn't going to be enough. And that's simply not true. That happens very often, I feel like, with me. I'll set some goal, and then I will make it so in my mind it just feels like I'm not good enough. You know, you ever had imposter syndrome? You know, I've felt that in my job quite a bit, where I'm just not good enough. I'm on a call and we're talking about some technology that I've never heard about, and it's just, I just feel like I shouldn't be there. But really, I really should. I mean, I've been in a data center for a long, long time. I mean, we're talking upwards of almost 20 years now. I mean, I know more than most people on the call about a lot of things, but I don't know everything. But I still feel imposter syndrome. And then I heard Dr. K talking about, abandoning every day, where don't say, I'm going to do this for every single day for the rest of my life, or I'm going to do that every single day for the rest of my life, or for 30 days, or for 60 days. There's no need to. You can just say, I'm going to do it, and you just do it. And I've also heard that the most important time on a goal or something that you're striving towards is maybe the day after you fail. Because what are you going to do? When you fail, you feel bad. Maybe you feel bad for yourself. But what are you actually going to do at that time? Are you going to just give up? You've been doing it for 35 days. And then that one time you fail, is that enough to just give up on your entire dream? Of course not. That's ridiculous. Whoo, that's that big drop. So I'm trying to implement this whole abandon every day into my own personal life. And I think it's been really beneficial. Isn't it such a nice day out? Look at this. It's gorgeous. I would also say that this falls into the category of actions and consequences and dwelling on your actions and dwelling on the consequences. I think it's a really beneficial thing to do that. I think a lot of people do. But what I tend to do, if I have an action and there's a poor consequence, I'll say to myself, Dave, oh, why did you do that? And I'll start to beat myself up about it. But I won't do that for the positive things. For example, I've been working on my YouTube channel. And by the way, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could subscribe, that would be awesome, because this video is sponsored by myself and Amazon. If you click on one of my Amazon affiliate links, I'll totally make, a few cents. I would really greatly appreciate that. Doesn't cost you anything, but thank you. I need to work on dwelling on positive consequences. I've had my YouTube channel for years. I wasn't posting for, the first couple of years, and then I started posting regularly some time ago. And the positive consequence of that is that I had a goal of hitting 500 subscribers, and guess what? We hit that goal. I'm over 500 subscribers now, and thank you for subscribing. It really means a lot to me. 500, that's so many, crazy. And we hit 500, and I just thought, great, now I can, maybe earn a couple of bucks off of monetization or something, but you can't monetize the videos with ads or anything until you hit 1,000 subscribers. So that bummed me out. And guess what I did? I was all bummed out about it because I reached my goal. How ridiculous is that? It's ridiculous. I should be happy. I should be excited. I don't need to be moving the goalposts all the time. And that's another thing that we tend to do, or that I tend to do. Leave it with me. Me. I tend to move the goalposts for myself all the time. So if I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers, I hit it, and then my little old brainy goes, oh, well, it's not 1,000 subscribers. You should be at 1,000 subscribers. And I think, oh, I should be at 1,000, and get all sad. When I really just need to dwell with the consequence of my action. I hit 500 subscribers. That's amazing. Great job. Enjoy that moment. Spend some time with it. And then, of course, you can add another goal, but don't move the goalpost. You made it to your goal. So congratulations. And that's really what I wanted to bring up today, is that I've changed a decent amount. I'm better at dirt riding than I ever have been. I'm starting to feel comfortable on the MX-5 more than I ever have. I can wheelie, not to balance point yet. Counted my chickens a little bit before they were hatched there, but I'm still doing well. Woo! Okay, climb, baby, climb. Oh, that's such a fun climb. But I don't need to beat myself up about it. I don't need to move the goalpost on myself, and you don't need to either. So, what I wanted you to take away from this today is, when you make a goal, abandon every day. Don't say I'm going to do X, Y, or Z every day. Just make a goal and work towards it. Because as long as you're working towards it, guess what? You're making progress. And sometimes it doesn't feel like you're making progress. Sometimes it feels like all you're doing is spinning your wheels. And that's okay. You can feel like that. But I'm going to try on abandoning the everyday and start thinking about my actions and the positive consequences that they have. And I want to be able to dwell on it and spend some time with it and enjoy it. So whether it be positive or negative, I can spend time with it. And I think that's really going to help me. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you do want to hit subscribe, I would definitely appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one.